In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code invalid request body error. This guide will walk you through various scenarios, particularly focusing on using the command line interface and PowerShell for API interaction. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to identify and correct the issues causing the error. To begin, if you are using the command line interface, start with a minimal valid request to test if the setup is functioning correctly. Enter the command Claude chat-stream hello in your terminal. If this command executes successfully without errors, it indicates that the issue lies within your custom inputs or the file you may be using. If it fails, you may need to check your setup further. Next, if you are passing file input, it's important to check the contents of the file for any invalid characters. You can do this by running the command get content prompt.txt. Review the output for any unclosed quotes, strange Unicode characters, or even an empty file. After ensuring the file is clean, you can test it again by executing Claude chat-file prompt.txt. If an error appears, this suggests that the content of the file is still malformed. Continuing, if you are using the direct API via PowerShell, most invalid request body errors occur in this context. You should format your request correctly. Start by defining the headers using the following code snippet. Set XAP key to your API key, Anthropic version to 2023, 0601, and content type to applications/JSON. Next, create the body of your request, ensuring that it includes model, max_tokens, and messages. If any of these fields are missing, you will encounter an invalid request body error. It's crucial to validate your JSON before sending it. In PowerShell, you can do this by executing $body convert from JSON. If this command throws an error, it indicates that your JSON structure is broken and needs to be corrected. Additionally, pay attention to common JSON mistakes. For example, ensure that your JSON includes max_tokens and uses the correct structure for messages. The correct format should have messages as an array containing the user role and content. If you encounter an error mentioning unexpected field, it is likely that you are using an outdated API format. Remember that in 2026, the correct endpoint for messages is https://api.anthrop.com/message. The deprecated endpoint /v1/complete should no longer be used. Lastly, if you see an error stating content must be array, adjust your body structure to ensure the content is correctly formatted as an array within the messages. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.